So here is the staircase. We're doing a 26-inch runner. And I hear this is an old house, which it probably is. I've never seen, you don't see too many. Usually there's a landing, right? Stairs go up, there's a landing, and then it turns 180 degrees. Well, this is 6 pies that turn the staircase 180 degrees. And that is gonna be challenging. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some paper, a paper roll, and I'm going to go to this house and I'm gonna template those stairs. Okay, so I just stopped at the old Home Depot and got a roll of painter's tape, and I got a roll of paper for my template. All right, so here we are, we're on the job, and those are the stairs. Now, I've got some painter's tape on there. I'm putting on the paper templates, and I'm tacking them in place with a hammer stapler, and then I will start to draw on the paper exactly where the green tape is, and then I will have my templates. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 staples just to tack it in place because I don't want it to move. And then I will start drawing down and around. Okay, so we're back here at the shop. We've got the first 3 templates there. There's 6 altogether. Remember, when you do the template, that's the way the template looks. This is number 2. But because we are going to mark it upside down, we want to trace cut these guys upside down. So never forget to flip over when you're trace cutting onto the back. So we're going to mark those out, trace cut those, and get them on the sewing machine. So that was a little stressful. I got all that stuff sewed up and then realized that one of the carpets was a different dye lot, so I had to change it and match that dye lot. And then the sewing machine broke down, so I had to fix that. So now I'm on my way. I've been here for 2.5 hours. This is taking all day. It is 20 to 2. It's gonna take me till at least 10 after 2 to get there. Well, we'll see you on the job. All right, we're back on the job. Got the pad put in on the first 6 or so stairs. I am just getting rolling out, getting prepped up, and then we're gonna start. Now, like every video, every runner I do not wrap the nose. I like the tight fit. Now we're just getting started. We're gonna go above that quarter round because I like that look better. Nice and smooth. Pinch it around the nose, get some staples in there. 1 every inch, guys, under the nose. Get that kicker in there, tighten it up. See how that goes nice around the nose there? No pad, looks good. Score that thing in there. Now you can see they had quarter round there. That was tough to deal with today. I did not want to pull it out. I did not want to ruin these stairs, so I just went with it. So we're getting up here to the first pie, stabling the sides. We're about 4 inches on each side there. Now we got to bring down our number 2 pie to meet our number 1 pie. And this is where it gets tricky. I mean, this has to be exact. I believe that was 28 inches on the bottom. So both of those pieces had to be 28 inch. 28 finish, which is a natural finish on the first pie, and then that pie I'm working on now at the bottom had to be 28 exact as well. So I'm just tacking it into place. Now this is where it changes. It goes from a 24-inch runner up to a 26-inch runner. So as I went up and around the corner, we went 4-inch gap, 4-inch gap on each of the first 3 stairs, and then we switched to a 5-inch gap. Can't tell, just because the stairs go up a little wider at the top. So here we are trying to finish it into that groove there. You've got that quarter round there, so it makes for a real tough, blending, if you will. Lots of staples right into the quarter round. Now, if anyone has to take this out, this carpet out, this will not be a fun job. But they had a nice little dog, little Doberman, and they wanted carpet on the stairs, so we gave them carpet on the stairs. And we made him a nice little dog bone rug too. Okay, so different view. So you can see we have them numbered 4 and 5. Now we're on number 4, and we've got to match 4 to 3. You guys can't see that, but that's what I'm doing now. Get that in, stable that on that quarter round, do under the nose, on top, get that in the groove. Now when I go to the end, I don't stable right to the end. I leave about 2 inches out. Just in case I'm off a 1/4 of an inch, I can push that carpet in to blend it. You're never gonna be perfect. It's never gonna match. These stairs are 110 years old. I don't care if they look brand new and they look nice. This is difficult stuff. I was on this job I left the house this morning, 8:15. I was on the job at least by 9, and I didn't get home till 4 o'clock. This job was tough. Couple hours on the templates. Then I had some problems at the store with the sewing machine. Thread came out, blah, blah, blah. You know, all the good stuff. It was, you know what I was saying today? It was one of those days. The final result is this stuff looks great. Now, if you guys are going to attempt this, you've got to take your time. If you're looking for this carpet, we have this carpet in stock. We can ship it to you. We can send it to you. Just leave a comment on the inbox below. We can get you this stuff. This is exquisite portrait. It's really nice. Now listen, if you're enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, smash the like button, all that good stuff. Really appreciate it. I love your comments. I answer all your comments. Now we're just finishing up here, and here we go. Finished result. One of the trickier staircases I've done in a while. I'm not gonna lie. It was a challenge. Look at that. Amazing. That job was not easy. This house is a period house, 1800s. Those stairs looked nice, like they were all refinished, but they were very, very, very difficult.